सो हेलो स्टूडेंट, अगेन आपका स्वागत है आपके इस प्यारे से यूट्यूब चैनल गवेश क्लास में। सो माई सेल्फ गजेंद्र सिंह। टुडे वी विल डू कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री। दिस इज द न्यू चैप्टर। तो सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So first of all, we discussed basic concept of this concept of coordinate geometry. So chapter is coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. So video number first and class 10th math. Class 10th maths. So in coordinate geometry, the very first topic is distance of very first topic, distance of 2 points, distance of 2 points on Cartesian plane. So very first topic is distance of 2 points or on Cartesian plane. So this is your first topic in coordinate geometry. So let's take a Cartesian plane. Here you can draw it. So this is the Cartesian plane and this axis is x-axis, and here this is the origin of Cartesian plane. Origin we can represent by O, and here this axis is represented by y and y dash, y dash, and this is called ordinate and this called abscissa. So this is the Cartesian plane, and this Cartesian plane we have 2 points, that is P and Q. Suppose this point and suppose this point. So there are 2 points on Cartesian plane, and find the distance between P and Q. So find the distance between P and Q. So here perpendicular from the P on x-axis, so we can draw, and this, so we can represent by dashed line, dash line, and from the point P perpendicular on y-axis, so we can this. Let's suppose this length is x1. Suppose this length x1 and this one suppose y1. So coordinate of the P point, that is x1 comma y1. We all know that coordinate of P, that is distance on x-axis, that is x1, and distance on y-axis, that is y1. And similarly we have a point of Q. So we will calculate the point Q if again perpendicular from the Q on x-axis. Suppose this length x2, and here we can extend it. So this is perpendicular from the Q on y-axis. Suppose this length is y2, this length is y2. So coordinate of Q obvious, x1 x2 comma y2, simply x2 comma y2. So we can write words. So let's take a Cartesian plane. Let's take a Cartesian plane. Let's take a Cartesian plane with x dash and y dash. Let's take a Cartesian plane with x dash and y dash. We have a 2 points P and Q, and their coordinates x1 y1 and comma x2 y2 respectively. By the through the construction. So we have to find the distance between P and Q. So PQ distance, what is the distance between P and Q? So we some construction apply here. So P join this. Suppose this is the perpendicular PQ. Suppose this is the R. According to Cartesian, according to figure, if we suppose PQR and this one ST or this UV. So if we find this ST equal OT minus ST, OT minus OS. So we have a ST OT minus OT is x2 and OS is x1. So we have the value of ST is x2 minus x1, and we all know that ST equal PR. ST equal PR. ठीक है, st equal, so pr, the value of pr is x2 minus x1. And then this one uv, if we find out the value of uv, so we have to subtract by ov minus uv, ov minus ou, sorry, ou. So ov is y2 and ou y1. So uv equal y2 minus y1, and we all know that qr equal uv. So qr equal uv is y2 minus y1. So this is the value of pr, this much and this much. So we will apply Pythagoras theorem in this right triangle. So try again. So इधर इसको here we can apply in triangle PQR, so PQ square equal PR square plus QR square, and we have a value of PR and QR. PR is x2 minus x1 whole square plus QR is y2 minus y1 whole square. So PQ is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 square. So this is the distance between P and Q. So simply we can find out the any distance between 2 points. So we will apply this formula. So this is the distance between 2 points. The 2 points are P and Q. Their coordinate is x1 y1 and x2 y2, and the distance between PQ, this is the distance. अब इसमें केस देखते हैं, केस if x1 y1, if x1 comma y1 origin, so x1 y1 is 0 comma 0. So put this x1 y1 in PQ in this. So new PQ is square root of x2 minus x1 is 0 square plus y2 is y2 minus y1 is 0 square. So new formula generated, PQ is square root of x2 square plus y2 square. When P points coincide on origin, so distance between PQ is x square plus x2 square plus y2 square. So this is the formula to find the any 2 points distance between 2 points. So we have to put this formula. So we can try with some question. have a formula, we have a question. Find the distance between, find the distance between, find the distance between point A, coordinate of point A, -6, 4, and point B, coordinate is 2, -2. So this is the, there are the 2 points and their coordinate is -6, 4 and 2, -2. So we have to find the distance between these 2 points. So we have a distance formula. We have a distance formula. We have a distance formula. So distance formula is x2 minus x1 square and plus y2 minus y1 square. This is the distance formula. If coordinates are x1 y1 and x2 y2, and here we have a coordinate -6, 4 and b is 2, -2. So we have to -6, 4 and b is 2, -2. So we have we marking, this is the x1 and this is the y1, this is x2 and this is the y2. So apply these coordinate in distance formula. If coordinate is this, so distance is AB is equal to x2 minus x1, that is 2 minus 2 is x2 minus x1 minus 6 square plus y2, that is -2 and minus 4 square. So this is the, so simply we calculate 2 plus 6 square and plus -6 square, 6 plus 2 8 square and 36. Simply calculate, simply 8 to 8 is 64 plus 36 and 100. AB is plus minus 10, but we take a positive value. We take positive value because distance is never in negative. So AB is 10 unit. So we have a distance. We have to find distance between A and B. So this is the answer. So let's try another question. We have a new question. Find the distance between question number 2. If the distance between the points, if the distance between origin and the point A comma minus B. So this is your question. If the distance between origin and the point A comma minus B, find the distance find the distance between origin and the point a comma minus b. So here we have a point, we have a 2 points, and one point has nothing, have a coordinate, but we don't know what is the coordinate. So we here watch it, point a comma minus b. So solve. One point is this and another point this. So origin, we all know that coordinate of origin is 0, 0. Coordinates of origin, we all know that is 0, 0. And another point is a comma minus b. So find the distance. Distance is x1 minus x2 square, x2 minus x1 square, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So we have x1 y1 and x2 y2. So x2 is a minus 0 square plus y2, that is minus b, and minus 0 square. So simply we calculate it, a square and plus b square. So this is the distance between origin and this point. So similarly इसको आप कर सकते हो जो भी क्वेश्चन है इसके। तो अगले वीडियो लेक्चर में इसके जो भी क्वेश्चन है आगे जो टॉपिक है उसको हम करेंगे भी। तो तब तक के लिए इस चैनल को देखते रहिए, और अगर ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो इसको लाइक कीजिए और इसको शेयर कीजिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।